Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change the default zoom in the Carbon browser on your mobile device. This setting can make your browsing experience more comfortable, especially if you often struggle with small text. First, open the Carbon browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. Tap on Accessibility to open the options available. Now, you will see a slider that allows you to change the default zoom level. Drag the slider to adjust the zoom to the size that feels most comfortable for your browsing. Finally, once you have set the desired zoom level, exit the settings, and your changes will be applied automatically. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your mobile browsing.